What's up, Silingan? Another day, another travel. We are going to Malibu first to drop off some things, and then we're going to Talamban to take drone videos of our lot there, lot for sale. And then after that, we're going to Johndorf to get a gate pass so that we can get in Tierra Nava Carcar, because there's a new rule there that a gate pass is needed before getting in any property of Johndorf. Let's go. Bingka, or in English it's called rice cake. So we just bought rice cake. One of the things that we're leaving here is this inflatable punching bag and a chair. This one. We have a chair. Since it's already 12:30, we're gonna have lunch here. Actually, we bought our own for our trip, but since we're already hungry, we're gonna eat it here. Lunch is done, and we are joined by my sister-in-law and my mother-in-law. They like to go on a trip with us. Hello. Ay, mana ka? Sige. Sakto lagi kayo, paliko na may. Sige, bye-bye. We are in Johndorf because it has started to rain. Instead of doing this as a second errand, we did this for the first one. Instead of going to Manila, Talamban. Because it's raining. So, we're here because we will go to Carcar, and then they said they require a gate pass. So, we're trying to acquire the gate pass. There's my mother-in-law with baby Zeke. Baby Zeke! And since I cannot go down to get the gate pass, my sister-in-law did it for me. We are now here at Greenwoods Executive Village in Talamban. I'm taking a drone video and drone picture. It's quite big. It's only about 3 million plus taxes, you know. So that's why I said about. I don't know how much the extra taxes will be. Marlet is trying to talk to that guy and ask for some properties that are for sale here. We are snacking with a rice cake. Pag-vlog. Saan na si Daddy? Nag-story si Daddy.
Dance, 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 feel the music. Dance, 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 feel the music. Stop!
Hey guys, this is my baby Zeke, and he also loves to vlog. Okay. He speaks his language and we don't understand him yet. I'm hoping that he will understand this 1 year from now. I am in King Properties today to check on some loan questions from my client, and one of that is my client wants to pay 600,000 so that the loanable amount, the monthly amortization, will be much smaller. And one of the coordinators was very kind to answer all my queries, and she is getting now the bank account where my client can transfer the money in advance for her advance payment. Very good. Thank you, King Properties. You're very kind. Also, just an update, the turnover date is moved from December 2020 to April 2021 of Meridian.